This week we are expecting some major push of price from the higher time frame, because we just have a monthly close on the higher time frame. So long we have a monthly close, so we expect a major push this week, and so long we expect those major push of price, we'll be looking at the USD CAD as our first pair this week. USD CAD on my weekly chart converted this support into a resistance level. So long price converted this support into a resistance level, we'll be expecting price to take our supply from this resistance level before we see a further push to the downside. We're expecting the USD CAD to drop to this support level in the coming weeks. So USD CAD has a good potential for sell this week. First of all, we have a higher high, lower high, lower high. This is a sign that we expect a major pressure of price movement down for the USD CAD this week. So let's look at the daily chart of the USD CAD. On my daily chart, you can see that we still have a series of lower highs on the USD CAD. So long we have this series of lower highs on the USD CAD, we expect a major drop for price to continue to go lower for the USD CAD. So what we'll be expecting this week for USD CAD on a daily chart, we expect price to take this resistance level, which is also a weekly resistance level, before we see a further push for price to the downside. So we expect price to do a retest of this level, then we'll see further push to this next support level for the USD CAD, because we see have a downtrend structure on the USD CAD. So this level, this next support level, will be our area of target for the USD CAD. So let's look at the next pair, which is the USD-CHF. USD-CHF on my weekly chart rejected from this resistance level on the weekly chart. So long price reject from this resistance level on the weekly chart, we expect price to continue to push lower for the USD-CHF, because USD-CHF is still on a downtrend. You can see we previously were on a range on the weekly chart. Price has break below the range now. So long price break below the range and we have a higher high, we have a lower high, lower high. We have also a lower high at this level, which means we expect price to continue to push lower for the USD-CHF. Our first target for the USD-CHF will be this target before we expect further push to the downside. So let's look at the daily chart of the USD-CHF. On my daily chart on the USD-CHF, price on the USD-CHF is currently on a support level. We have a support level at this area, so we expect price to do a retest back to this resistance on the CHF, then follow for further push for downside. So we're looking for selling opportunity on the CHF this week. So we wait for price to retest this resistance before look for further sell for the CHF downside. So look for your selling opportunity on the CHF this week. So the next pair we'll be looking at now, we're looking at the USD-JPY. USD-JPY on my weekly chart close on the resistance level. So long we have price on this resistance level on the weekly chart, we expect further price push to the downside. So this area are all resistance level. So long we have price on this resistance level, we expect price to continue to push lower for the USD-JPY. USD-JPY still remain downtrend for May this week, because first of all we have a higher high, we have a higher high, we have a lower high, we have a lower high, we also have a lower high from this resistance level now. So what we expect from this resistance level, we expect price to drop to this next support level. A break of this support level, we expect price to retest, then we'll see further push to the downside for the USD-JPY. USD-JPY will be one of my best bet to trade this week, because we have a downtrend structure for the USD-JPY. So let's go to the daily chart of the USD-JPY. On my daily chart, before we go to the chart, let's go to the weekly chart. On my weekly chart, we need to take our supply, which is our area we are supposed to sell from. So I'll be expecting price to do a retest of this supply zone. Expect price to do a retest of this zone or this zone before we see look for our selling opportunity to the downside for this target or this target. So look out for selling opportunity on the USD-JPY. So on my daily chart, you can see that we have a downtrend structure. Then we now have an inner structure of this lower low and higher low. So long we have this inner structure, we'll be expecting price to break that, to go below this higher low. Then we'll look out for selling opportunity on the USD-JPY, which is we expect price to go below this level. Then we'll look out for our selling opportunity from this region to the downside. So USD-JPY still remain downtrend for us this week. We're looking for our selling opportunity on the USD-JPY. If you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.